I may not look like the way you want me to, nor I may not do it just like you do, but I wanna stay true to the kingdom, be relevant and be a true Christian. I wanna feed the poor, the widows and the orphans, be a light in the middle of the darkness, so they see my good works and glorify God in heaven. Hey, I have no time to...
Alright guys, so this hair I'm wearing is from Klaiyi hair. This is their curly Indian deep curl. Dang it, tying up my words. So before we get started before we go into this makeup tutorial, which is what I'll be teaching you today, or showing you guys how to do, it is a no step skipped for the eyes. But I did everything in my foundation, everything off camera, see? And yeah, so this hair is my Indian hair from Klaiyi hair. I've worked with them before. Oh, I love this glow. Oh my god. So I have worked with them before. I love working with them. They're an amazing company. Their hair is top notch. I'm just zhuzhing it come up so it can be a little bit more full at the top. See that? The hair is top notch. I love it. I love working with them. Customer service is bang. The prices are beautiful, and their hair is not mixed with no other synthetic fiber. You guys, I'm telling you, I feel like all these hair companies I'm working with, they're knocking it out of the park, you guys. If they're not the bomb, I won't be working with them. And let's hint, if they're not the bomb, I won't be working with them. Because I have to test out the hair first, you know what I mean, before I even bring it to you guys. So this is my Klaiyi hair. Jeez, this look, ooh, this girl, 16 inches, all 16 inches. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Please enjoy this tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial like this in a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. If you want me to do more colorful looks, let a girl know, because I will. Want to do more natural looks, let a girl know, because I will, you know. Okay. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please enjoy this one. Subscribe, notification bell, description bar, all of that. Deal with it. Start it out. Alright, hi guys, so I have my foundation on and everything is all baking and stayed. I know this is off-putting to some of you, but this is just how I do my makeup. This is how I do my makeup on like a regular day. I let the powder sit and I like drop down into school. Yes, looking like this. I don't get out of the car though. I'm not getting out of the car. I'm not getting out of the car. But this is what I do. So I wanted a colorful lip tie. Well, let me show you what I was inspired by. Okay, so I'm actually watching this show, The Order, on Netflix. Girl, you guys don't know this about me. Well, maybe you do, because I always tell you guys about me. I love like fantasy shows, like mermaids, witches, warlocks, vampires, werewolves. I love those kind of shows. And The Order has everything I need except mermaids. I think they need like a mermaid. It'll only make it better. Oh my gosh, so I saw this look. I won't be able to do the white because I did not remember to bring up the white, but look at that. I got it off of Pinterest. I screenshot it. It's just a screenshot. Let me see if I can swipe. Okay, good, yes. Oh, it's a safe swipe. Look at Jonathan drinking juice. Is your cutie? Okay, so she had like orange, red, and like yellow, purple. Okay, cool, yeah. No, her eye shape is completely different from mine, and I'm going to do a black. Should I do black or another color? I don't know, but I'm actually watching The Order as I'm talking to you, so I'll be using a couple palettes. I'm using my box of crayons palette. Am I going to be needing? Yes, I'm going to be needing this. I'm sorry if you can hear dogs. I'll be using this palette from Juvia's Place. And I'll also be using this palette from Juvia's Place. See? I know you guys can hear those dogs. I'm very sorry. Yeah. So, let me look again and see the crease color. Oh yeah, so orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red. So I'm going back to my show, which means this portion of the video will be, let me see if we can put something for catch up this portion of the video will be just you seeing what I'm doing. Okie dokie. Honky donkey. Alright guys, so I'm taking my crayon case palette and I'm going in with this pink, and that's just going to go right underneath my brow bone. Then I'm going to jump and go into the red, and that is going to go just a little bit under the pink. I laid the pink first so that I can have a nice flush of color. See that? Like a nice gradient, and the pink and the reds are close together. So I chose to do it this way. Now I know I held up a picture initially telling you guys what I'm going to do, but this tutorial, it just spoke for itself, honey. They just did what it wanted to do, so I just went with it. So that palette just now was my Juvia's Place palette that I showed you guys in the intro, the purple one. And this brush is actually from a Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love the fluffy part of that brush. Then again, my Juvia's Place palette, and that one is just going to be feathered on the inside of my eyes because I love adding color there. I just feel like it makes the eye look just, you know, like come together. See? I like how that looks. So now I'm going back in with my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be taking that burgundy color, and I'm just going to be kind of like deepening my crease. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's a darker burgundy than the red, even though it's in the same color family, because they're not telling a difference. It's just a subtle change without me adding boom black. So now I'm heading onto my brow bone area, and I'm going to put this yellow right where that thin strip is, and then I believe I'm going to be adding a gold, because in the picture I remember seeing a gold. I don't know what gold she used, but I don't know if I like this gold for that look. So and that went on my brow bone. I don't know why I edit that part out. So that's my medium duo like highlight and contour cream from LA Girl, and that is what I'm using, or rather this is what I'm using as my white eyeliner. I do not own a white eyeliner, so when I say anything white like this is what I use to create it. Just draw the line, and I'm very careful of how I apply the color so that it leaves that line on top of it to make it look like I drew a line, which I didn't because I don't have a white eyeliner. So yeah, so I'm just blending this out. This creases like crazy. It does crease, so I'm trying my best to blend it out. I should have gone on top of my fingers, but because my fingers are kind of oily and kind of damp, you know, sweaty, I didn't want to put it on top of it. So yeah, just blending out with a fluffy brush. Backing with my crayon case palette, my box of, you saw the name. I don't know why I'm out here stressing myself out and y'all be reading and seeing the names. So I'm going to be going with the yellow, the orange, the red, then the blue. And then after I was through with this video, that orange is from my Juvia's Place palette, I went back and I saw that homegirl did like green and like purple. I'm like, dang it. Dang it. But I didn't bring those palettes up with me, so I just used the palettes that I had, which are these colorful colors. Now what the red, and you're gonna see the red and the orange are so, and then I don't think they're similar, but I should have put them further apart. You see, I put the red right on top of the orange, like, you know, to blend, because I always tell the guys when I'm blending colors, put it right where the colors end. But I didn't even do that. I put it right on top of the color, and I should not have done that. I should have just put it right beside it, like what I'm going to do with this blue, again, from my Juvia's Place palette. See, look, right beside it. See that? I feel like it's coming up even more. But anyway, so this is a portion of the eye look. Chose this color, and yeah. Alrighty, so normally I don't remember what to do on the other eye, so I want to do my other eye off camera because I know I don't remember what. Yellow, orange, red. Yeah, I mean, how hard can it be, right? I'm just gonna retrace my steps. Okay, so I'm using my LA Pro Primer in black, and this is what, gosh, I'm using as my eyeliner. Then I'm going to blend it. This is the same brush I used to blend out the cream on my crease. Is a dual ended brush. So I just flipped it around using the other side. It's from the Manny MUA palette, and I'm just using that brush to blend underneath and then like flick it up. See? Flicking to create a little wing. So now I'm going with my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and today I'm only using the cream. I usually mix the cream and the powder, but I've been using the cream lately, just like for quick videos. And ooh, I love how it looks without no, look at that, it's just so shiny, and I love that look. Going back in with my palette from Juvia's Space's Harem palette, and I'm using that color as a blush. No, it's not a blush, but I am very accustomed to using my eyeshadows as blushes. And this is the look, and I'm gonna be talking to y'all normally for the rest of the video. Alright, so for my lips, not for my lips, for my eyes, I think I want to put like green at the bottom. So I'm going to use this green right here. Right, so that looks nice. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so, oh, my nose ring. What? So my lips, same thing as on my eyes. A lip pro primer in black. Alright guys, so this is the final look for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really love doing fun, colorful look like these. What I really need to get is a white eyeliner. I think I need one because, I mean, this works when you don't have a white eyeliner. And as you guys saw, I just used the palette, the LA Girl palette, duo palette, whatever, to create that's what I used, see? But that thing creases like crazy. So if you're going to do this for a photo shoot, you can, but I don't advise doing this look with that base and like going about your day, because it will crease on you, see? So this is it for this video, and thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, check out everything in the description bar below, you guys. The Coldest, I'm an affiliate. Teamy, I'm an affiliate. Vanity Planet, sorry, I'm an affiliate. So please go ahead and check those out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.